Using ChatGPT for my Shopify dropshipping store. AI with Shopify dropshipping. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at a very different concept which a lot of people have not monetized on yet, but is an incredible way for you to make money, and that is using AI such as ChatGPT to monetize further on your dropshipping store. So what are the use cases that you can do with this little AI and improve your Shopify store, improve your dropshipping, and how can you really use this AI to your benefit? Well, this is a simple open source software, so you don't have to pay to use this. It's a simple software that you can use. All you have to do is click on try over here on openai.com. Once you click on try, a sign up form will pop up, and once you've signed up, this will be your basic screen. So it's super simple and easy to use, plus anyone can use it. Now, how is this going to be beneficial for someone that is looking to do dropshipping and use Shopify? Well, don't worry, because even though you might think, hey, Shopify, dropshipping, I'm trying to sell products, this is unrelated. Well, it is actually going to be a large help in you to do product research as well as to sell your product. So you can manage both of your product research and marketing from this little simple AI. So how can you do that? First off, I'm going to go into the dropshipping section, and we're going to be taking a look at marketing. So a lot of the times you are looking for new products to launch on your Shopify dropshipping store. So it might be whatever it might be. So you can see like there are a bunch of different trending products. The trending products can range from any category. And whenever you're trying to build a Shopify store, you don't want to try to sell everything. You want to sell specific items that target a specific audience that you can market towards, because that is how businesses work. If you're trying to sell everything, you're not going to be able to target a specific audience or market to a specific audience or have recurring customers and build a product name or product brand. So that is why it's essential for you to build a market reputation. And for that, you need to sell a certain type of product within the trending product. So what you're going to do is you can simply go onto ChatGPT, go into the new chat, and you can search for something like, what are the trending products in women's fashion? So you can see over here that it is going to show some general trends. It's athleisure, so you can see sustainable and ethical fashion, streetwear. These two are kind of interlinked, vintage and retro inspired fashion, statement pieces, so on and so forth. So now after that, instead of like giving a more broad version, I can search for dropshipping. So now I'm just asking a more specific question from my previous question. So many type of clothing and accessories, so basic tank tops and bottoms, dresses. So you can ask it a bunch of different questions, and the more questions you ask the AI learns more. So let's say I want even more specific responses. So now I asked it what are the top women's fashion products to dropship, and you can see over here now it's going to add a bunch of different items for me, and in this way you're going to be able to find the specific trending product. So it's going to add a bunch of different items, so on and so forth, and it just keeps on going. Now this is going to help you in finding trending products in any kind of niche. So this was just for women's fashion. I can create a new chat and I can be like, I can search for things such as pet products, baby products, whatever it might be, whatever niche category you want your Shopify store to be from, it is going to be able to generate the product listings, the trending products for that category. Now, this is one specific use case for the AI. You might be wondering, hey, okay, I did that, but how else can I use this? Well, after you have listed the products, after you find the product and list them on your Shopify store, you can do all of your SEO optimized descriptions, SEO optimized copies, all of your sales copies, all of your ad copies, and use those directly from ChatGPT. So let's say write a sales copy for a long white vintage dress. So that might be the product that I'm trying to sell, and it's going to write a sales copy for that. And these are super effective, they're super nice, and you can even write different methods. So you can see now, write the sales copy using the pain and resolution method. The pain and resolution method is where first a describes the problems that you're going to be facing without that item, and then it provides the item as the solution to your problems. And this is a simple way that you can guide the AI to what kind of sales copy you want. Now, you not only can you write simple sales copy, but you can also write SEO optimized description. So I wrote SEO description for a long white dress on Shopify. Now you can see over here, not only is it going to write a good description, but it's also going to keep in mind all of the SEO optimized words, such as special occasions, a long white dress, flattering for any body type, white fabric, romantic, graceful, weddings, proms, formal events. So all of these are super, super effective because when people are searching for a white dress, they might be searching for best dress for weddings, best dress for proms, best dress for formal events, elegant, timeless white dresses, so on and so forth. And all of those keywords have been included in the AI. So the AI really learns. The more you use it, the more it's going to learn. And you can write SEO optimized product descriptions, you can write ad copies, you can even write sales copies, ad copies, all of that directly from this AI. So this can be for any niche. Don't think that it's only limited to a certain niche. You can go very specific as well. So let's say I opened a electronic store on Shopify, which is a very, very unlikely category, but let's say I did it. And let's say now I want SEO optimized descriptions for those niche electronic products. Well, I can still do that. So you can see over here that SEO description for electric pile filer, and that is something that is very niche. Not a lot of people are searching for it, not a lot of people are looking at this at stores. And although you're going to be able to write a basic description for a electric pile filer, because we all know what it is, we really don't glamorize this kind of product, but still it is able to write a very, very optimized little description for this specific niche product, even though it might not be a trending, it might not be a super easy to write product on. So in this way, you can really enhance your dropshipping business or your Shopify storefront using AI like ChatGPT. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to follow along with these methods and techniques that I showed in this video. And if you found them helpful, make sure to share them with someone you might think that may need these. Share them with your friends, with your family, with your cousins, and share them with any business partners that you might have. And it might help you guys a lot to know all of these techniques and to follow along. And if you enjoyed this video, I would recommend that you please leave a like. And if you have any questions regarding this video, regarding any other video, or regarding any social platform, then you can definitely ask me in the comments down below, and I will try to answer as soon as possible because that is the point of our YouTube channel. I want to show you guys on how to glide through these platforms and how to easily navigate and fulfill the purposes that you want to do with these social platforms. And if you have any details that you might want to know, any suggestions, any improvements that you think that I could add on to these videos, then please do leave them in the comment box down below and I will make future videos according to those. And if you have any specific topics that you look forward to, also leave those in the comment box down below and I will try to make videos on those as well. And make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out other videos. And if you feel like some other video might be helpful to someone else, make sure to share our videos with your friends and family as well. And if you find that there is something missing, I will try to figure out a way to integrate more accurate content according to your needs onto the channel. So make sure to tell me if you find anything missing. So that was it for today. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.